What's up, guys? So today's video we're going to be cleaning the batteries today. So as you guys can see, yeah, that's not good. Let me show you guys the other side. So yeah, we're going to be cleaning the battery terminals and we're going to be getting these things all cleaned up. So this is the stuff I'm going to be using. Alright, so I got socket set, I got this battery cleaner here, and this battery terminal protector. So let's start by taking off these terminals and cleaning them up. Alright, we're going to be taking off the positive first. Yeah, this thing is dirty. Look at that. Look at all that corrosion. Alright, now we're going to be doing the negative.
Five hours later.
Okay, so I just cleaned it up, took all the main stuff out. Now we're going to be using this to clean it good. I recommend using this, works very good. Look at that, look how good that looks. Alright, now that we got that clean, can't forget this part. So, take the cap off, and it reveals this. So, let's get in there, get it all cleaned up. Can't forget the bottom. Okay, once you get one side done, do the same for the other side. What I recommend using is a drill with a flywheel that grinds off the corrosion to get better deep in there and get a better clean out of it, which will result in better results for your cleaning. Now you're just going to get that other little brush and you're just going to get off the little stuff that the big flywheel couldn't get. Now you're going to get your battery protector and you're just going to shake it up a little bit and spray it all around. Make sure you get it good. Make sure you get all around it to get the best results, as you can see in the video. Do that for both sides. Also, don't forget to do both of the parts where the terminal connects to each other. When you're done spraying, just get a rag and clean off all the excess stuff off the battery. Now all you're going to do is just tighten it all up and make sure it's snug. After you're done tightening the screws, do it for both sides, positive and negative. Guys, don't make the same mistake I did when doing this. So I was just tightening it up right now and I over tightened it, and see, kind of like lift up a little bit. So I just got a hammer and hammered it back down. So just don't over tighten it, make sure it's flush, just like this negative is. So now that we got this side done, we're gonna do this side. Same thing, same process, just different side. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We just finished. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.